Make sure your arrow is pointing to your furnace. Hi, my name's Alex with Abacus Air Conditioning. Today we're going to show homeowners where to change out their filters and how often, and why it's important to your AC system. In these particular home, and for most new homes and new installs, the system is going to come with a media filter. No longer do you need the 1-inch filters inside your home. You just have the one filter for your system here. You just open up this door here, slide out your previous filter. This one is dirty. We have a new filter to compare. This one's nice and white. Usually we recommend customers to replace your media filter every 4 to 6 months, depending on the home. And all you have to do is bring out your new filter. Make sure your arrow is pointing to your furnace, because that's the airflow. It's going to your left in this scenario. You're just gonna slide it in. You're gonna put back on your cover. You may need to tape up the sides for any air gaps, but we want to replace our filters every 4 to 6 months just to maintain the cooling capacity of the system. If the air filter gets too dirty, you're not going to have proper amount of airflow going through and potentially damage your system, and a lot of times freeze up the system at the same time. So we always want to make sure we're replacing our filters every 4 to 6 months.